y'all, welcome back to the channel. For today's video, my voice is cracking. I'm on my way to Randy's house. We're gonna be working on an RSX today. As you guys seen in our previous videos, his car is running. It starts, well, it's not running. Well, it's running, but it's not driving. So hopefully gearing up towards the end of today, or like, I really need to work on my vocabulary.
Fam, just looking at my door, thinking to myself like, damn, my baby looks just like my dad. Same time I got the news.
So, made a quick pit stop to Ed's crib before we go back to Randy's house to work on the tech, because we got to get us a TPS sensor. What's up, Ed? So, long story short, here we have a, hey! Ooh, that sound like I was visual. That shit got quiet. We got some parts in from Hybrid Racing. They had sent my boy Rand Leezy care package to get the RSX back on the road after a monumental 5-year hiatus. So first off, we got some shift cables along with the shifter detent springs. Right here, it comes in all your packaging. When you order shift cables through Hybrid Racing, it comes with shifter clips and also come with these springs to stiffen up your shift selector. So when you're going through gears, it stiffens that up, replaces the factory springs. And then over here, we have his cold air intake kit along with radiator hoses. Got all the hardware needed. We're on the velocity stack. Clamps. What? I didn't even get these. Nice. And then hoses right here. Well, this is the air intake hose. And then right here we have no idea. So sorry about that. Oh, you do get a breather. Sweet. I didn't know that. And then right here, the mother load, baby. DC5 shift box. Boom. We got that. And I believe top piece and hardware. And of course, Hybrid Racing sticker. And yeah, so all this is gonna be installed today and getting a step closer to getting this bad boy back on the road.
Drive this bitch.
Facts. Why you cursing, bitch?
I'm sorry, bitch.
Alright.
Boxes are defeating, purpose always fleeting. I pose questions to the ceiling like an answer gonna come. Truth is too revealing, life is easier concealing all emotions till the start on your heart going numb. I shouldn't be in drive more, I just wanna feel alive more. I feel hurt all the time, boy, I can't see straight. I've been running on the freeway till I get blinded by the headlights. They go past me, I see the last me that I ever will be. That got me asking if living this lightly, has that been the right thing? Or should I been a little bit more focused on the place that my feet needed to go? And as they go past me, I see the last me that I ever will be. And that got me asking if living this lightly, has that been the right thing? Or should I been more focused on where feet wanted to go? If I died right now, no lie, I'd have a few regrets. I just spent more time out biking instead of smoking.
She saw my eyes, she know I'm home. I see some things that you might hear.
What a surprise. Back at Randy's house, RSX is out of the garage. What? Just got back from Napa. Got a brake, not braking, but clutch line for the clutch master to the reservoir. So, yep. Hopefully we're gonna have this bad boy driving today. That is the goal. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. For today's video, we're at Randy's house, which means Buddy Club exhaust installed. But since we are now Jamaican in Nigeria, I forgot what you say. You can't say buddy in Jamaican patois. You have to say friend. I don't know what it was, but Buddy Club exhaust is going on Randy's DC5. So the DC5 videos are rolling out. Hopefully. It does drive, so hopefully by the end of, well, not end of today, I'm pretty sure by the end of today you'll see some driving action. Randy got his bride seats installed. Oh, this one's sturdy.
They're both sturdy.
Oh, you had to just tighten the thing up. So, yep, got his hybrid gearbox. And the only thing left we gotta do install is the hybrid intake. which we're gonna modify so it doesn't be a cold air, but more or less of a short ram. So in case if it rains, he don't blow his shit up like I did. All right, let's get this installed going, playboy. We ain't got no light, playboy. Why you so mean? Ah, he hit me. Black on white crime. It's a hate crime. Win the case anyways. Super facts. All right, so down pipe, little flex mid pipe thing meets the basically will be the cat. Not the cat. Center section. Yeah, the center section of the Buddy Club exhaust. You got better light. And that's it. All we gotta do is tighten that thing up right there. Put it on the hanger, and then.
We need longer hangers, bro.
Longer hangers?
Like the one longer as in like drop width?
Yeah.
God damn.
You got steel zip ties?
Unless you want to take your lip off.
Oh, so it can hang lower for the lip. Oh. Time for you to run a diffuser, bro. Get rid of that stupid ass lip and get a diffuser, right? Facts. That boy, Randy with the fat tip. Pause. That hoe is massive. Hogo. Buddy Club for the win. Man, it's nice. All right. Start up, but it's Buddy Club. This shit gonna sound nice. Woo! I'm excited. Oh my god! Holy shit! Damn, it sounds good, bro. That shit sounds like a Supra. It does. That's just damn. Damn, I guess it wasn't that bad after all. Bro, idle, bro, it's so nice. Oh my god. Wait till it warm up. That sounds beautiful, dog. Oh my god. Yeah. Oh my god. Oh. I love it. God. I saw her on the inside. Nice. Good fly. Randy's talking about their exhaust is too loud. Buddy Club is the truth, bro. Talking about too loud. Wait till you, bro. It's gonna be loud when you.
I said it's gonna get raspy when it's at higher RPM.
It is. No, it's not. It's gonna. You didn't watch the RSX video?
It didn't get raspy.
It didn't. Yeah. This video has been going on for about 3 weeks, and today is the day that I close it because I'm tired of filming the same video and keep having to remember memory cards and all that stuff. It has to end. It just has to end. So right now I'm headed to Randy's house. We're gonna get this first drive for you. Well, not first drive, but this drive video for you guys, along with previous content of the Buddy Club install and all that stuff. And Christina is still being. Car's fixed though. From one of the last videos, the car has been fixed due to the coolant leak. That's officially taken care of. Now the only problem I have now is, well, I can't drive the Integra anymore because I need a headlight harness. Oh, you guys can't even see the focus there. Oh, come on, baby. Come on. Oh, man, you guys can't even see it. But, well, I mean, you guys should get, I guess you can see it. But, yo, this headlight harness is done. So, gotta wait for a wireworks harness to come in. And then from there, I can drive this car again. I want to drive it to Randy's house today. But, guess what? I don't got it. Yep. So, can't do that. Which blows butthole juice, but all in all, let's go to Randy's. So, back at Randy's, now it's time for us to do the final piece of his hybrid care package, cold air intake. And I believe, maybe not this video, but eventually we're gonna modify it so it's gonna be cut so it's shorter, because we don't want to do no more hydro locking motors, because that's not the move, that is not the wave, and we ain't trying to be on that wave of doing such thing. And you do order your hybrid racing cold air intake kit. Comes with your velocity stack, your filter, 2 clamps, your air filter, and the brackets to mount up your air filter. But this, I think, is just for an RSX, which means yours, oh, that's cool. So it goes like that, and your filter comes like right here. That's pretty cool. Like the way yours is mounted. Mine goes straight down and curved like that, like an S. Yours go here, and then I think mount that way, I believe. So this is how you run it, like this. This where we would have it, but we're actually gonna cut it to make it shorter because we're in Florida, like I stated. So I put my slice here with a razor blade, if you guys can see right there, and then we're just gonna mount the filter right off of this, not this pipe, but this one right here. You like playing with pipes that big, boy?
Fire.
Oh shit. Woo! All fours. Let's get that cold start. Everybody moving. It don't sound that loud in the car, even though we don't have no windshield or mirrors or rear mirrors. We do got a hatch glass, so that's cool, but everything else is. That shit is loud. This is the first drive with the Buddy Club exhaust on. See, it don't sound loud.
No, it sounds good.
It sounds good. All your shit's tight in the back?
This shit, probably rubbing.
What?
Back in place.
Oh, it's rubbing against the thing?
Yeah.
Yeah, it don't sound loud at all. It sounds good.
It's only idle.
Yeah. Or when you get on it. Boy, got brakes. When I first drove this car, I didn't have no brakes.